Hello guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn to find a job. So if you're a job seeker and you want to find some job on LinkedIn, I'm going to show you how. So open the LinkedIn app first. And then here at the home page, you can see at the bottom there is a menu. Here just go to the jobs menu on the bottom right. As you can see here, there are recommended jobs for you based on your profile provided by the LinkedIn team, and you can just scroll down until you find the one that you think suits you the most, and just click on the one of them. So for example, this one. And then if you want to apply the job, just click on the apply here, and no thanks, just like that. And then the LinkedIn will be directed you to the application page, and you just can add your info or add resume or etc. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can find job on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Then don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.